The more you expose your life to the public eye, the easier it becomes for others to pull you down. It's a natural social phenomenon. There's something profoundly powerful about vanishing quietly and working in silence, building yourself in private while the world forgets you. Becoming unavailable and committing to your evolution in secrecy is thrilling because deep down you know that when you return, your transformation will astonish everyone. The funny part is, when you finally do, you won't even care. You'll have learned in solitude that the only opinion that truly matters is your own. Let's break down how to do this the right way. There are 3 crucial stages. 1. How to disappear. 2. What to do in the shadows. 3. How to reemerge. If you mishandle any of these, especially the last, you'll regret it. Let's begin. 1. How to disappear the right way. 1. Silence your tongue. Your mouth betrays you far more than you realize. You must bring it under control. Stop discussing your life openly. No more personal broadcasts to friends, family, co-workers. No one. The sole exception is your life partner, and only if they genuinely support your success. You'll struggle at first. It's instinctual to overshare. It's human nature. But you must fight that impulse. Learn to catch your thoughts before they escape your lips. Become mysterious. Once you do, you'll move freely in the shadows. 2. Stop caring about opinions. To vanish and remain unseen, you must reprogram your mindset. People don't truly care about you as much as you believe, yet you act as if they do. That illusion governs many of your choices. Destroy that side of yourself. Instead, create a version of you inside your mind and only care about that person's approval. Would the best version of you be proud of your actions? This mental trick makes you less of a puppet to others and more of your own master. It takes discipline and repetition, but once you achieve it, freedom follows. 3. Conceal your plans. You'll develop big ambitions, and the temptation to share them will be strong. Don't. Guard your goals like they're sacred passwords. Imagine that each time you reveal a detail, your chance of success drops by 5%. Every careless word feeds others' curiosity but weakens your progress. If you must seek advice, do it strategically and precisely. Share only what's absolutely necessary, gain the insight you need, then fade back into the shadows. 4. Hide your progress. Progress will come, and faster when you operate in silence, but resist the urge to display it. Don't flaunt your improved body, your rising income, or your sharpened skills. Keep evolving quietly. Reverting to old habits mid-transformation will undo everything. The desire to brag will surface. Redirect that energy back into your work. Channel the urge to reveal into fuel for your next breakthrough. 5. Conceal your struggles. The ghost mode life isn't glamorous, it's grueling. You'll face pain, fatigue, maybe even tears. Normally you'd vent to friends or seek comfort from family, but now you must endure it alone. Cry, sweat, bleed, but do it privately. Patch your wounds yourself and let those dark moments forge your resilience. Every breakdown becomes a launch pad for your next breakthrough. Pain is the birthplace of transformation. Embrace it, even crave it. That's true beast mode. 2. What to do in the shadows. 1. Define your targets. Transformation requires direction. Decide exactly what you want to become. Do you want to be unrecognizable, strong, disciplined, or wealthy? Write it down. Be specific and precise. Keep it somewhere only you can see. 2. Revolve your life around progress. Every waking hour should serve your mission. Obsession is necessary. Treat your goals as your life's only purpose. Align your environment with your objectives. Move closer to your gym, enroll in classes that sharpen your skills, plan your days to make progress unavoidable. Track your evolution weekly, break large ambitions into smaller milestones, and review constantly. Every move must be deliberate. 3. Reprogram your mindset. You must fall in love with solitude and growth. At first, disappearing feels strange, even isolating, but soon you'll find comfort in it. The silence becomes strength. This mental rewiring is part of the transformation. When it's complete, you'll no longer crave to return to society's noise. You'll realize that the shadows have become your home, a place of peace, focus, and endless self-improvement. 3. How to reappear. When you finally step back into the world, something fascinating happens. You'll realize you no longer need validation. The world will see your transformation, but you'll remain detached. You'll continue evolving, setting greater goals, chasing higher peaks, all while staying calm and grounded. You'll have discovered the serenity of staying unseen, the joy of quiet progress, and a new life far richer than the one you left behind. If you want to uncover one of the most powerful cheat codes for self-mastery, watch the next video right here.